workshop on the first floor. You can hear the loud noise of the machine running. The total investment in packing process equipment on this floor is over $6.3 million.
It can be said that our machine is one of the best in the bag-given packing machine in China. And our process center is one of the largest part process base in China. You can hardly find a company like ours in the Chinese market. Nearly 90% of the parts of the whole machine are independently developed and produced by us, which is extremely rare in the national packaging machinery industry. We don't have to wait for logistics to handle our own parts, which makes it easier for us to develop and trial new models. Our processing center on the first floor alone has about 200 employees.
Here is our wire cutting center. You will find all our accessories have their own number, which makes our after-sales service more convenient.